Hello YouTube and welcome back to Casey's Garage. Today should be a relatively short video. We don't have anything major to work on, but we're going to get these rockers cleaned up and installed back on the car. We've got these sick looking GT badges. Let me get over here in the light so we can see it better. But they're black with a red, here we go. They're black with a red line down the middle. I think it's going to look really good on this car. And I do have a minor surprise for you guys that will be doing this car probably in the next video, but it will match the badges that we're going to put on the car today. And I'll let you guys in the comments section try to guess what it is. I'm sure somebody could probably guess it pretty quick, but this car is going to look pretty darn cool, so can't wait to get this stuff on. But before we get the badges on and the rockers on, we need to get the wheel skirts or the fender skirts back in. So let me take you back over to the driver side of the car, where I've already started on it, and let's go ahead and get this done.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so there is one skirt. Got it in place, looks good. Let's go ahead and go on the other side and I'll do the other. And then we'll get these rockers on. All right, guys, check it out. We have both skirts in. Looking pretty good. Now let's go ahead and get the rockers cleaned up and get those on the car. And then we can put the wheels back on, and we can't forget the badges. We gotta do the badges by the end of this video. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and used some wax and grease remover and just rubbed it around the area we're going to be applying this. Even though we have about the holes, or the fender with the holes for the emblems, I decided not to go with the OEM factory badges because I wanted one that kind of went more with the theme of the car. And I found some black ones with the red line down the middle instead of the chrome ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and just kind of get an idea where we're gonna put it. I'm gonna kind of lightly put it on there. Until it's cold out here, you can see where my hands were there. And all right, there's that one. All right, guys. There we have it. Kind of dark over here. Let's walk around the other side where we were. Take another look at our badge. Gonna step back a little bit. Well guys, I think it looks pretty good. So today we got the badges on, we got the rockers on, and we got the skirts inside the fenders there. So alright guys, so this car is pretty much complete. I have a few things under the hood here to tinker with, but we got everything done today that I wanted to. And you got stay tuned for the next video, because like I said, in the next video we'll be putting on a, called it upgrade at that, but a little bit of appearance upgrade. And I think it'll be fun. And I'll bring you guys along the way. So thanks for watching today's episode, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Casey's Garage. Have a good evening. Peace.